Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I will talk to you about common mistakes with prepositions. First, we're going to listen to the sentence together, pinpoint the mistake, and then try to correct it. Let's get going. His advice was a great help for me. Where's the mistake in this sentence? His advice was a great help for me. Very good. Now, the correction or the correct way to say this is, his advice was a great help to me. Here, in this case, we use to me, not for me, but to me. Okay? What kind of music are you interested? Yes, we don't use interested by itself, but we usually say, what kind of music are you interested in? What kind of music are you interested in? He spoke in behalf of our class. This is a classmate that you assign to talk to the teacher about something. So he spoke on behalf of our class, not in behalf, but on behalf of our class. He spoke on behalf of our class. That's the correct way to say it. She entered into the kitchen. She entered into the kitchen. Now, where's the mistake in this sentence? Very good. She entered the kitchen. As simple as that. Now, he loves with my friend. He loves with my friend. Yes, we don't say he loves with my friend, but he loves my friend, or he's in love with my friend. There are two ways to say it, but not the first one that we said. He loves with my friend. That's a mistake. Let me help you on your work. Let me help you on your work. Where's the mistake in this one? Very good. We don't say on your work, but with your work. So for example, let me help you with your work. Let me help you with your work. I recommend you to take this pill. I recommend you to take this pill. Now that's not the correct way to say it. The correct way is I recommend that you take this pill. I recommend that you take this pill. I recommend that you watch this movie. I recommend that you visit this doctor, etc. Come to here with me. Come to here with me. Very good. We don't say come to here, but come here with me. Come here with me. You must insure for theft and fire. Now, if you're trying to get some help from your friend on what to include in your insurance, you're going to say, you must insure for theft and fire. But that's a mistake. They should use the preposition against. So they should say, you must insure against theft and fire. This is in case your car gets stolen or maybe gets on fire. The last one is, I'm not really good in maths. I'm not really good in maths. Now with school subjects, we usually use the preposition at. So in this case, we should say, I'm not really good at maths. I'm not really good at science. I'm not really good at physics. That was all. Thank you so much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye.